Meaning of Islam.
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 Islam. Islam is a word from the Arabic language which means submission or surrender. In the context of religion, it refers to the complete surrender of oneself to the will of God, Allah, and following His commandments as expressed in the Holy Book of Islam, the Quran, and the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad. Followers of Islam are called Muslims, and their faith is characterized by 5 pillars: Shahada, declaring belief in one God and the prophethood of Muhammad; Salah, praying 5 times a day; Zakat, giving alms to the poor and needy; Sawm, fasting during the month of Ramadan; and Hajj, making a pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in a lifetime.